Having a zipper that doesn't close properly can be incredibly frustrating, especially when it happens to your favorite jacket, bag, or pair of jeans. But don't worry, this is a common issue that you can usually resolve at home with a bit of patience and a few basic tools. Let me guide you step by step on how to fix a zipper that doesn't close, so you can get it back in working order quickly. The first thing to check is the condition of the zipper teeth. Lay the item flat and inspect the zipper closely to see if any teeth are bent, broken, or misaligned. A misaligned tooth can prevent the zipper from closing. If you spot a bent tooth, gently straighten it using a pair of needle nose pliers. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this can cause further damage. If the teeth look fine but the zipper still won't close, it's time to take a closer look at the zipper slider. The slider, which is the small metal or plastic piece you pull to zip and unzip, is often the culprit when the zipper doesn't close. Over time, the slider can become loose, causing it to lose its grip on the zipper teeth. To fix this, grab your pliers and gently squeeze the slider on both sides. Be cautious and apply even pressure to avoid breaking it. This slight adjustment should help the slider grip the teeth more securely and resolve the issue. If the slider adjustment doesn't work, or if it's visibly worn or damaged, you may need to replace it. This is a bit more involved, but still manageable. First, remove the stopper at the top of the zipper using pliers. Slide off the old slider, then carefully thread a new one onto the zipper teeth. Once it's in place, reattach the stopper by pinching it back onto the fabric. This should fix the problem and give your zipper a new lease on life. Another tip for how to fix a zipper that doesn't close is to ensure the teeth are clean and free of debris. Dirt, lint, or fabric threads can get caught in the zipper, preventing it from closing properly. Use a soft brush or a damp cloth to clean the teeth, and then try zipping it again. Sometimes, applying a small amount of lubricant, like bar soap or a specialized zipper lubricant, can help the slider glide smoothly over the teeth. If none of these steps work, the zipper may be too damaged to repair, and replacing it entirely might be the best solution. While this requires some sewing skills, a tailor or seamstress can handle it for you if it's beyond your comfort level. Now that you know how to fix a zipper that doesn't close, you can tackle this annoying issue with confidence. Whether it's a quick adjustment to the slider or a full replacement, you don't have to let a faulty zipper ruin your day. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll save time, money, and frustration. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you need further help.